Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this era of online shopping, we all are obsessed with this gorgeous looking shabam highlighting and contouring routines, and we all love doing that. But we all have been there to that place where we have ordered the wrong shade of concealers and contours and nude lipsticks, especially nude lipsticks, because they are a huge trend nowadays. So today's video is gonna be all about me achieving this makeup look right here for you all using all the wrong shades of products. Yes guys, I've used all the wrong shades of products, concealer, contour, lipstick, everything, and managed it to get it somewhat like this. I hope you all will enjoy today's video and find it useful. If you people do, don't forget to subscribe. Coming up to the video, this is a BB cream, looks quite nice enough, but coming up to dabbing it onto my face and blending it out, it doesn't matches my face. It matches my décolletage and neck area. So this would definitely be working perfect and fine for today. Coming up to the concealer, this is a beautiful concealer, but it is perfectly not matching my skin. Literally, you guys can see right this, and you people must have definitely seen me doing disasters using this concealer as well, and I personally wish that I could have gone back and reversed those videos like this. Not a possibility. Coming to contouring, who says we couldn't order a wrong shade of contour? See what sort of a humongous disaster I have created when I once upon a time ordered this contouring shade. It is more than 3 to 4 shades darker than my skin tone, and blending it will take ages and break my hands. Finding out a new nude lipstick for yourself is a target nowadays, and they never tell you in hunt of finding your perfect nude shade, what the hell are you gonna do with all of those nude shades that are lying ideal in your stash saying I am not perfect for you, like this one. So what are you gonna do in a situation like this where you have all these products in wrong shades? Let me think of something. Finally, I've got an idea for you all. So let me share with you all how am I going to utilize all of these products. So I'm just going to start off with a cleansed and a moisturized face. So that's a perfection. Now taking my lip balm because it's windy here in LKO. Now I'm taking my concealer. You want to go ahead and take any concealer that is quite matching your skin tone, because here your perspective is not to go ahead and highlight, but it is to go ahead and reduce the appearance of your dark circles so that they don't peep through from underneath your concealer that is going to come forward. That's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm just going ahead and applying this concealer right underneath my under eye area, and then I'm going to blend it all out with the help of my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. Now coming up to the mistakes that I made, the 3 mistakes of my life actually. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my wrong shade of concealer in all the areas that I love to conceal and highlight. So it's just gonna be a regular drill, and I know I'll be looking quite weird for a while because having a lighter shade on your face is not the greatest look that you're willing to achieve for, but still have to bear with it. So it's just a couple of minutes and I'll sort everything out perfectly, I promise. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight the usual areas of my face, that is in a triangle shape under my eye, on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, around my mouth, and a little bit under where my contour line would fall. And after that, there is something that I have been loving while doing the highlighting. It's my personal discovery. It's just all the areas of your face you need to understand what are the areas that you need to contour and highlight. So that's how I love to highlight my face. Now coming up to contouring, picking up the wrong shade of contour for myself as well. I am just going to go ahead and place it onto the areas where I love to contour. That is my face, my jawline, my forehead, my nose, and my lip area. Nose contouring is something which is like quite religious in terms of me. Even if I'm not doing anything else in terms of makeup, I would definitely go ahead and contour my nose, because it just makes it, it gives it a really defined shape. Now I'm taking my Real Techniques brush and I'm just gonna go ahead and roughly blend all of that contour lines onto the place there where I want them to be on a permanent basis. I don't want them to move from there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend my hands. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that the lines are diffused. They are not supposed to be that prominent or firm as they were looking once they were sketched. So I'm just diffusing all the lines because the concealer is something that has a consistency of being blended very easily with stuff, but this concealer which is I'm using as a contour is not that sort of a contour. Now clearing up this mess, for that I'm going to use the same BB cream that I did showed you earlier. You can use any foundation of your choice, and I'm just going to go ahead with my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge and I'm just going to blend away all of those areas with the help of this cream. This would help me balance out everything wrong and right onto my face. And now coming up to the lip area, I'm taking this mahogany shaped lip liner and I'm going to contour my lip with the help of it before applying that perfectly wrong nude shade on my lips. So I'm just going to go ahead and line my lip a little bit with the help of the same lip liner, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill my outer corners of the lip. Here, as you guys can see me, this is known as lip contouring. Hope you all are well versed about this thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a line in the center and smudge the line as well. Now taking that perfectly wrong shade, I'm just going to go ahead and apply it onto the lip, and now it's not looking bad. Actually, I wouldn't say that bad. It's really not looking that wrong as it was looking back then, and that's what my perception was. I hope you all have enjoyed today's video of me trying to utilize all the products that were not good for me or were not my perfect shades. I hope you all have enjoyed it, and if you people did, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys with another innovative video very soon. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.